In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily convert your text to a video, especially if you're the type of person who doesn't want to show your face in a type of video you want to showcase to the public. So all you have to do is to simply head to the AI site called ai.invideo.io. This is it over here. You simply want to type it inside your web browser. So I'm going to paste it so you guys can see, and then you want to enter. And immediately you do that, it's going to take you to the workspace for invideo.io, and this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to drop the link in the description of the video so you guys can actually check it out. So once you head there, all you have to simply do is to type in whatever text or whatever type of video you want to be converted from the text to the video. A good example is, let's say I want a video based on cooking, let's say cooking or baking cake, for example, and then all I have to do is to write it down over here. I can simply say create a video about how to bake cake. All right, and then in case you want to even create the text from scratch, all you have to do to simply create a text, if you don't have a text idea, is to head to either ChatGPT, this is it over here, chat.openai.com, all right, or you can head to meta.ai. These are two trending AI tools that you can actually use to type in or create text that you can easily convert to a video using invideo.io. all right, just to show you guys real quick, so create a video about how to bake cake. So all you have to do right now is click on generate a video. Now, pending the time it is actually creating the video for us, so as just to show you guys what I'm talking about earlier on, let's say you want to use ChatGPT. All you have to do is to tell ChatGPT to write me a text about baking cake in few steps. All right, so I can just copy these, and then you can as well do the same thing on Meta AI, depending on whatever AI tool you're okay with. And now once you have the steps, you can as well come here to InVideo over here and then paste it. All right, let's say I want to go for this one, Ctrl C. I'm going to come here and then paste it, and all you have to do is to simply click on generate a video. It's that easy. All right, now let's go back to this one we're already doing. So as you guys can see, InVideo is going to ask us some few questions so as to create the video more specifically based on what we want. All right, so let's see our audience is going to be beginners. Look and feel, let's leave it as bright, and platform, let's say YouTube, for example. All you have to do now is to click on continue. Now as you guys can see, our queue, we're 8 in queue currently, so all you have to do is to just wait, and we will be shown our video in just a few minutes. And so here is the video.
Ever dreamed of baking a cake that
So this is the video over
dry
here.
ingredients in one bowl?
So as you guys can see, this is actually awesome, and this is how you can actually convert your text to a video in just few minutes, guys. And I'll love you all to try it out, and also drop a comment down in the comment section so we can as well have an engagement about what you guys think of this AI tool. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed. Also drop a like on the video and also share with your friends and family members. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching, guys.